Well, here are the walleye rearing ponds back in the nature center. I'm just a little beyond the covered bridge, and gosh, like I said, I haven't been back here since I was a kid. I don't remember any of this, so sure is nice back here. I'm not exactly sure how far the trails go and where you can go, and so I guess I'm just gonna wing it here and see what happens. But there's the view looking back towards the covered bridge. I got some nice pictures of the river when I was on there. I see benches along the edges of the ponds where you can sit. So very nice.